Hello everyone, how are you doing? Myself, Jivisha, and in a few minutes we'll start with the webinar and we'll be discussing about OmicsLogic courses, training programs, and research program and upcoming workshops. So before we begin, let's keep the session a little bit interactive and we can start with introducing ourselves. So maybe Abdul Wahab, can you introduce yourself? How are you doing? And you can unmute yourself or type it in the chat box.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Wahab. I'm fine, thank you, from Sudan.
Okay, and what is your background?
It is a bachelor degree of medical laboratory science.
Okay, okay. So this is your first time joining the OmicsLogic uh,
Yes, this is the first time.
event? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay. Welcome to this session. So, a baby, would you like to introduce yourself? Hello, Sagar.
Okay. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. My name is Ababa from Ethiopia, Juma University.
Okay, okay. And what is your background?
Biostatistics.
What is it? I'm sorry.
Statistics.
Okay, okay, okay. That's good. That's good. So this you are also joining us for the first time?
Yes, yes.
All right. Okay, okay. Welcome to the session. And hi
Thank you.
Anushka,
Thank
how are
you.
you? Okay. Bernardo, are you there? How are you doing? Please feel free to introduce yourself so we know everyone knows where are you from and what is your background. Hi Mamta. Hi Sagar. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello everyone, I am Sagar More, currently doing PhD in BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus from pharmacy background.
All right, all right. Okay, that's good. Zaroon. Hi Sri Lakshmi. Welcome to the session.
I am Dr. Mamta, currently working in SHS Bangalore, Jain University.
Okay, welcome ma'am. How are you doing?
Fine, fine. My area of interest is genomics.
Okay, okay. You are also joining us for the first time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Okay. Welcome to the session, ma'am.
Yeah.
Zaroon, Sri Lakshmi, Bernardo, Anushka, would you like to introduce yourself? You can type it in the chat box as well. Hi, Hari. How are you? Hi, you guys. Hello, Himlata. Hi. Hi, Alfita. Please keep the session a little interactive. You can introduce yourself and two other participants tell you about yourself. What is your background? What are your research interests? Hi, Vivek. How are you? Hi, Shofuel. How are you doing? Can you introduce yourself to us and tell us about your background and research interests?
Hello. Am I audible, completely audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Um, my name is Shofiul Alam, and I am from the University of Dhaka, Bangladesh. I am currently a master student in the Department of Zoology, University of Dhaka, and I am currently doing mitochondrial genome assembly for my master's thesis. That's why I wanted to learn more about omics, so I registered for the webinar actually. Mainly I collect different type of fish from the different type of habitats of Bangladesh for a specific family, and then I'm trying to do mitochondrial genome assembly to understand different type of evolutionary factors actually. Thank you for having me today.
Hello, Bihar. Hi, Amir. Hi, Paja. Hi, Sonia. Would you like to introduce yourself? Tell us about your background and research interest. You can type it in the chat box as well if you are unable to mute yourself.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Prashita Pandey from Pune. I'm basically industrial biotech student, and right now I'm focusing on bioinformatics and NGS data analysis for my research dissertation project. So I think this workshop will be helpful for me.
Okay. Hi, Prashita. Welcome to the session. So we can start the session now. And Shubhangni, can you start the recording? And meanwhile, participants can yourself in the chat box as well. So I hope my screen is visible and I'm properly audible. Hello everyone, my name is Javisha, and in this presentation I will provide a brief introduction to OmicsLogic. I'll give an overview of some of the courses and training programs we offer and discuss the research program and share a glimpse of the student outcomes we have achieved over the years. We are India and US based bioinformatics and data science company, and we have had the a wonderful opportunity to collaborate and partner with the esteemed universities and industries across the globe. As a part of our mission, our team is working with regional and international research mentors that are helping refine program logistics and adapting them to the needs of students and researchers around the world. This is our dedicated team based in India, committed to strengthening bioinformatics and data science capacity for students, faculty, working professionals, and researchers, empowering them with the skills and tools needed for impactful research and career growth. To meet the evolving demand of skilled bioinformaticians and data scientists, we have created innovative training and research offerings, including online courses, training programs and workshops, research internships and fellowships, research services for faculties, scientists, and as well as a degree program. One of the best ways to learn bioinformatics and data analysis is through well structured courses. These courses provide a mix of textual and visual aids like diagrams, infographics, and videos to simplify complex concepts. They also include short tutorials and practical demonstrations, ensuring a hands on learning experience. Plus, coding exercises help students develop essential technical skills. Now, these courses are divided into two main categories: technology based and application based. Technology based courses focus on mastering bioinformatics techniques and cover topics like genomics, transcriptomics, single cell RNA sequencing, Python and R for omics data analysis, metagenomics, epigenomics, and machine learning for bioinformatics. And we also offer specialized courses such as Introduction to Linux, GitHub for Bioinformatics, Structural Biology, and Multi-Omics Data Integration with MixOmics. There's even a course on how to design a bioinformatics research project to help students create structured studies. Now come the application-based courses, which focus on real-world applications, helping learners apply computational tools to biological research. And topics include oncology, precision medicine, infectious diseases, agriomics, etc. These courses extend technology based learning, enabling learners to apply omics and machine learning to real world data sets. They bridge the gap between theory and hands on bioinformatics, preparing participants for research and industry challenges. Students learn about real world case studies through these example projects and apply bioinformatics techniques to analyze complex data sets. Now, after the completion of these courses and example projects, students can earn digital certificates which can be added to their resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and digital portfolios that can enhance their professional credentials. Now, courses are fully automated and compiled in lessons in detail, but many times students also require a video of mentor that are going through this and explaining the concepts and doing the hands-on. For such students, we have training programs and workshops, which include combination of lecture videos, expert tutorials, and guided lessons. The training materials are designed. Hello.
Sorry,
Okay.
Shibisha, for the interruption. I have muted the participant.
Okay, it's okay. The training materials are designed to align with the modern industry relevant curriculums, ensuring students gain practical skills applicable in academic and professional settings. We also have an online progress tracking system to help monitor students' progress and assist them wherever required. This has two aspects: workshops, which include live mentor guided sessions, and training programs comprising of recorded lectures. So now coming to the main topic of today's webinar, which will be discussing the courses and training programs, workshops and research program in a little more detail. So before we begin, I would like all of you to be a part of our community. So for that, you'll have to sign up on our portal. I'll quickly give you a demo of how to do it. So I'll just stop sharing and share my screen again. Okay. So this is the web page, and I'll share the link in the chat box as well. You can go on it. Okay, so this is the OmicsLogic site. To sign up, you have to click on the login option here, and you'll be taken to the sign up page. I'll share this link as well. Okay, so to sign up, what you have, you can see the login page here, and you have an option to create an account. Click on it, add your name here like this, and then you can add your email ID here, and then assign a password that you would like to. Okay, once you are done, click on next, and here you have to add your details like phone, your select your country where you are based, and occupation and education and organization, and company university. After you are done, you have to click on sign up. And alternatively, you can also create an account using your Google ID, Facebook ID, Apple ID, GitHub ID, and Twitter ID as well. Okay. For me, account is already there. I'll simply sign in. And this is the page I'll be taken to. So this is the courses page, you can see. And in this interface, you can see there are course categories, which start from bioinformatics, genomics, transcriptomics, machine learning, Python for omics data analysis, R for omics data analysis, metagenomics, cheminformatics, and single cell RNA-seq, and lastly, epigenomics. Okay. And once you click on a particular category, you'll have all the courses related to that category appear. Okay, so this course one is a free course that you can go through after this session, and after you are done with it, you can earn a certificate for this as well. Okay, now I would like to show you one of our most popular courses, which is transcriptomics. As I told that if you click on a particular category, the courses and example projects related to that category will appear. So you can see I clicked on transcriptomics category and course 5 transcriptomics appeared for me. Now this is one of our most popular courses that learners like to go through, and it has 17 lessons in total. So it starts with very basic topics like what is central dogma to RNA, what is RNA quantification techniques, and what are NGS techniques, and then we start with workflow for transcriptomics data analysis. Now, one of the special things about this course is after this particular lesson, we actually follow the workflow in each of the lessons. So each of the lesson is discussing a particular step of that analysis, which is RNA-seq data analysis. We start with pre-processing, 2G, pre-processing using Linux and Galaxy. Then we do the quality control, and we also perform normalization and PC of gene expression data. And at some places, you'll see the repetition of the lessons, but it is not exactly the repetition. It is basically that we are covering a particular step with different types of tools. For example, here we are covering DG analysis and functional characterization using open sources tool, and here we are using R programming for this particular step. And then we move forward to regression and factorial regression analysis and supervised machine learning, and supervised machine learning, and another lesson on understanding unsupervised machine learning, which are where these 4 lessons are done using R programming for machine learning, and they come under machine learning. Okay, so this is what the course structure looks like. And once you open a lesson, as I discussed in my presentation, the structure will follow more of a textual and visual aid. So you can see here is the text given, and there are some conceptual videos, very short videos that you can go through. Here's the explanation of that particular concept. You go, scroll down, you'll also find diagrams and images related to that concept that might help you understand it better. Okay, and in the courses, you'll also find quizzes and activities to do, which will help you to test your knowledge of whatever you have learned in the course lesson at the end, right at the end of the course. Okay, and once you are done, you just have to click on the lesson complete button, which will note down your progress on the portal. Okay, now next next course that I wanted to discuss is our coding course 2, which is a coding course. Now, how is it different from the normal course that I'll show you now? If you click on one of the lessons, for example, I opened this one, differential gene expression lesson, which will be using uh, our programming for this particular analysis. You'll find uh, you'll find the scripts of the code, and for each of the line of the code you'll have the explanation also given. Okay, and if you scroll down, you'll also find interactive visualization at some places, and also the explanation for that particular visualization. And at the end of the lesson, you'll find a practice code which includes Google Colab notebooks. And if you click on this particular link, you'll be taken to the Google Colab notebook of that particular analysis. Okay, and now the benefit of providing the Google Colab notebook is that while you are practicing the codes, if you encounter any issue or if you have any query that you would like us to address, what you can do is simply click on share, and here you can copy the link and mail us and ask us your query. So before practicing, what you have to do is just click on file, create a copy for yourself in your drive. Okay, and you can practice these codes. Now you simply have to click on these buttons to run the code like this, and it will generate the result for you instantly. And also along with that, the explanation for each code is also given, and if you also uh, assignments assignments to perform, like troubleshooting the code, what is wrong with this particular code. Activities like these are available in the Google Colab notebook. Okay, now you can again access this particular course through the course category above. You can also search for it here, and you just have to click on R for Omics Data Analysis and you'll find the courses listed here. One of the courses is R Coding Course 1, which is Introduction to R for Omics Data Analysis. This is a beginner-friendly course which will introduce you to the R programming. If you are a total beginner, you don't know anything about it, you can go through it. And then we move on to the R Coding Course 2, which is an advanced course which deals with machine learning techniques using R programming and apply them on the omics data. Okay. Now, as I discussed that there are technology-based courses, then there are example-based courses, application-based courses. Now, after you have done your transcriptomics course, which was this one, this is a technology-based course. Okay. Now, in the application-based courses, for example, if I open this one, is the extension of the technology-based course, which will take a particular data set and apply whatever you have learned in the in that particular course in the course for the analysis of a particular data set. Okay. For example, here we are discussing liver cancer, and we are doing omics data analysis on this particular data set of the liver cancer. And so these are the application based courses that will help you to understand how to utilize the omics data analysis techniques or R programming for any kind of programming language for omics data analysis on a real world case study. Okay, now this was all about courses. This is just a snippet of what is available, what might be available in the courses, but there is a lot more. I have just shown you a very small view of what is available, but there are a lot more courses available on this portal. Okay, now if you want to have more of a structured learning, more of a comprehensive approach to your learning, then we have training programs which can be accessed by clicking on programs and by going on training program. Okay, so this is the training program page, and we have expert curated training programs on transcriptomics, genomics, biomedical data science using Python, metagenomics, and a beginner friendly course for on bioinformatics, that is Introduction to Big Data Bioinformatics Multi-Omics. So you can take up this course if you are an absolute beginner in bioinformatics, want to know about more about it, want to know about several omics fields like transcriptomics, genomics, and the metagenomics, then you can take up this particular training program. Okay, now I'll quickly take you through one of our training programs, that is transcriptomics for biomedical research program. I'll also share the courses page link with all of you so that you can browse it later on. And I'll also share the training program link as well. Please feel free to explore these after the session. So this is, as I discussed the transcriptomics course, I'll extend that to the training program as well. So this is one of our most popular training programs that are taken up by the learners. So if you scroll down, you'll see 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And this is the case with every training program that is available on the portal. If you click on beginner, you'll find different sessions, and this particular training program will take video sessions as the learning approach. You watch the video, then you also have the access to supplementary resources like associated lessons, which are again taken up from the course library that you'll have access to with the training program. And these lessons you can go through. You can just have to click on the link. You have to click on the link for this as well, like keywords, and you can go through it simultaneously with the session video. And just like this, after you watch one video, you go to associated lessons, and then there is additional reading material, which is basically educational articles, research articles that you might want to go through to enhance your learning experience, to supplement your learning. Okay, and once you are done with one session video, head over to next session video. Okay, and then you click on the complete button and click on next. Okay, so in beginner level, we are discussing NGS and how to extract the data for our RNA-seq data analysis, how to do gene expression quantification, how to do exploratory data analysis, downstream data analysis, and lastly, how to do pathway annotation. Okay, and then intermediate level, we are discussing pathway annotation with GSEA, GEO, and PPI, how to visualize data using cytoscape, and machine learning using unsupervised and supervised analysis for RNA-seq data. And we are also introducing R for RNA-seq data analysis, and again we are discussing exploratory data analysis but with R programming. And in the advanced level, we are discussing again machine learning concepts like correlation and regression, differential gene expression using R programming, pathway annotation in R using KEGG and GSEA, unsupervised machine learning in R, and introduction to single cell transcriptomic analysis and workflow, downstream analysis, and cell identification through cell clustering. And in session 7, after the completion of your training, you can choose to go through a research project if you would like to, which I will discuss after this. What is the research project about? Okay, so if you are opting for a training program, you'll have access to you can either go for beginner till beginner level, or you can go till intermediate level, or you can go for all three levels. Okay, and with this in the training programs, you have uh, also have access to selective courses and project library, which will include both the technology based courses and the application based courses. uh, for example, in this particular program, you'll have access to course 5 transcriptomics, which I showed you earlier, then transcriptomics in R, which will use this entire course uses R programming for RNA-seq data analysis. Then an example project on TCGA liver cancer, then basic coding course and an advanced coding course, and then a course on single cell transcriptomics, which is an introductory course, which will also tell you about how to do single cell analysis. And lastly, an introductory course on Linux for omics data analysis. And after completion of each level, you'll get 3 separate certificates. If you have chosen for beginner level only, then you'll have a beginner level certificate. If you have chosen for beginner and intermediate, then you'll have 2 certificates, beginner and intermediate. And if you go for all 3 levels, then then you'll get 3 certificates for each level, and included uh, individual certificates for each of the courses that you choose to go through. Okay, now this is a long-term learning approach. Okay, resource for beginner level, you have 30 days access. If you go for intermediate, then it is 60 days access, and for advanced, it is a 3 months access. Okay, for all 3 levels. Now let's come on to short term learning programs, which are workshop, which we conduct which we conduct live sessions very regularly. And these are some of our upcoming programs and workshops that I would like to discuss. So uh, first will be this upcoming program, which will be a live 2-month program on artificial intelligence and machine learning for omics data analysis. This is an international program which will be uh, taught by Dr. Graham Bell. Graham Ball, who has 32 years experience of applying artificial intelligence and machine learning to biological problems. And he has developed various approaches on ML and statistical methods for classification in systems biology, and has also supervised students from biological background to PhD awards in machine learning. So this will be a 2-month program which will start on April 19th and will have weekend classes. And then we have upcoming workshop on single cell RNA-seq. This will be a 3-day workshop which is starting next week on April 8th and will go until April 10th. If you're interested in single cell RNA-seq data analysis, then you can take up this. This is for the people who would like to have go for a short-term training period and would and also like live sessions, want to learn side by side with the mentor. And again, then we have 4-day hands-on workshop on RNA-seq data analysis. If you want to go into core transcriptomics, then you can go for this. And this will start next month on May 5 to May 8. Okay, and this will be a 4-day workshop. Then we have another upcoming workshop, two workshop. It is a workshop series on Python-powered molecular modeling and simulation workshop, which will tell you about molecular modeling using Python programming. So workshop 1 will start from April 21 to April 25, and workshop 2 will start from April 28 to May 2. So both of these are 3-day workshop each. You can either opt for workshop 1 or workshop 2, or you can go for both the workshops as well. Okay, and lastly, there's another workshop on metagenomics in NGS, in which we will be talking about wet lab techniques to extract metagenomics data, and how that data can be utilized for metagenomic data analysis. And this workshop will be conducted over 4 weekends and will start from May 4, and we'll have classes on May 11, 18, and May 25. Okay, so that was all in the training part. Now, all of that you have learned. Now, some of you would like to apply that into a research project, right? So I'll quickly give an overview. What is the research project about? Okay, I hope my screen is visible. Can anyone confirm?
Yes, Shivisha, it's visible.
Okay, thank you, Shavana. So after you are done with your training, maybe you would like to go for a research, want to pursue a research project. You want to apply all of the skills that you have gained into a research idea on a uh, real case study. So for that, we conduct mentor-guided research program, and the program offers an unparalleled opportunity for students, researchers, and citizen scientists across the globe to work independently on a bioinformatics research project. Okay, so now on the screen, you can see a program roadmap that clearly outlines the student's journey throughout the program. As you can see, it begins with the students undergoing a comprehensive training in their chosen field of omics. This could be genomics, transcriptomics, metagenomics, metabolomics, and cheminformatics. The objective here is to help participants build a strong foundation in key skills such as data processing, analysis, and visualization. And in the next stage, students will work on identifying an impactful research topic through regular mentor meetings and an in-depth literature review. In the third step, students work on data collection, analysis, and interpretation. This is also the stage where students will start looking into data sets to identify trends, patterns, and correlations that will be critical for the research at hand. Finally, the program culminates in students working on completing the report detailing all the analysis and interpretation they have carried out. and they prepare presentation and submit the work so that they can receive expert feedback to refine their work. Now, here is the brief summary of various open source tools and technologies that are covered throughout our programs and courses, and that will also be utilized in your research project if you choose to pursue one. So this is just an over. These are there are many more tools, but these all are that we can cover in a slide. And let me walk you through a few examples on how various students have leveraged the resources to achieve their academic and professional goals. We had a cohort of students from systems medicine graduate program at Georgetown University who worked on machine learning projects using Python. Students have also went on to present their research projects in poster presentation competitions to win exciting cash prizes. And students also join our program to get a research publication, which gives them this extra competitive edge over other students while applying for higher studies or in the job market. And one of the unique highlights is that faculties and researchers have also collaborated with us to carry out these publications. And it is also possible to pursue an entrepreneurship and business innovation track, like a team of industrial researchers where they developed a microbiome test kit to improve the fertility of women in Nigeria. Okay, so that was all that I wanted to discuss in my part of the presentation. And if you are interested, you can reach out to our sales team, which includes Shubhangna, Rajni, and Rajneesh. Here are the contact information for them given, and you can also email us at communications@omicslogic.com. So now I'll stop sharing my screen and uh, pass it over to Shubhangna to tell you more about the sales, how to enroll in these programs. Over to you, Shubhangna.
Thank you, Jivisha. So what I'll do is I'll be sharing my screen. Hello, everyone. So to walk you through the different programs and give you a brief about what Jivisha has discussed. So we had different products. First is course library. So our course library includes 30 plus courses which are application based and learning courses, which includes genomics, transcriptomics, bulk, single cell, metagenomics, and all these are included in a basic subscription plan. So what you can do is simply go to the products page. You can hover over this blue tab shown on your screen and go to the course library. And when you go to the products tab, you will see there is a course subscription available for all the courses. It's like the unlimited number of courses are available, just starting at rupees 3,000 a month. And for those who are living outside India, they can simply select their country from there, choose US dollar pricing. So it's available for $45 a month. And there are 30 plus courses, programming based, multi-omics based, project design courses, data science courses, health informatics courses, and infectious disease. There are 3 months option available, 1 year option available. Like if you are interested, you can simply click on buy now. Enter your details like your email ID, phone number, name, and simply select the payment methods provided on your screen. So this is for the course library. Those who missed the course library section, they can simply go to the course library tab and explore the resources. And now, if you are someone who is looking for a more detailed oriented approach, or rather I would say a personalized approach to a particular field. For example, if you are someone who is interested in coding, then you can go for the Python program. And if you are someone who is interested in NGS, then they can go for genomics training program. The basic structure of training program is same. There are 3 levels: beginner, intermediate, and advanced level. Beginner 1 month, intermediate 2 months, and advanced one 3 months. So now there is a special discount we have provided for the webinar attendees. What they can do is Simply there are 3 levels. They can purchase all the level altogether by purchasing advanced level. For example, if you are purchasing advanced level, then beginner and intermediate level will be freely available. They are part of advanced level. So what you can do is simply click on buy now button, and there is a discount code sum 40 that can be applicable to the current pricing, and when you apply it there will be 40% discount available for you. You can simply enter your details, enter your name, email address, phone number, country, select the payment methods, and program will be available at a discounted price for you. So this will reduce the pricing to $60 for a training program. And now you can simply explore the workshops through our workshop page as well. And we have shared a link in chat box as well for our upcoming training program sessions and workshops. For example, this AIML training program, it was available for 10,000 a month, 10,000 for 2 months program. So it's a international mentor program. But for webinar attendees, we have provided a special discount, which includes, you can see the program curriculum. It has hands-on session, capstone projects, and application-based practicals as well. For example, the first session will be included in AIML, biology, and then second session is available on practical approaches of machine learning. Third session is on deep learning, and fourth session will be on large language modules, LLMs. And then fifth session is on integration of multi-omics data using AIML. And then last week is about the capstone project. So there will be an application-based mini project which students can undergo. Similarly, we have the workshops on single-cell RNA-seq. Those who are interested in these workshops and programs can reach out to our team, and our team will be offering them special discounts, because for the webinar attendees, we have this special discount going on. For example, you can see on the screen, student fee was 3,000 after early bird registration. For the webinar attendees, we have kept the fees around 2,000, and that is $30 for the students who are abroad. Now moving on towards the portal itself. Those who are interested in yearly based or monthly based education subscription, there is discount going on as well. These education subscription are available for $30 for international participants who are attending the webinar, and 2,500 for the Indian students, which includes so many courses. And if you are looking to restart your bioinformatics journey, then this can be a good option for you. Now I would like to keep the stage open for everyone, those who have any queries related to the programs, those who don't know which program would be suitable for them. They can simply unmute themselves, and we would be happy to answer any queries they have. We can guide you which program could be better for you. We can share discount coupons and everything. So I can see there is a message from Roy. Can I access the live lectures if I miss one of them? Yes, Roy, all the live sessions are recorded for the trainings and workshops. So whenever you miss a live session, there will be recordings provided to you. I hope this answers your questions. Anyone else who would like to, Yes, Zaipa, there is a discount going on for 1 month education subscription. Its original price is $45, and after discount it will be available for $30 for webinar attendees. What you can do is you can simply drop an email to us on communication@omicslogic.com. I have pasted the email in chat box. You can simply reach out on this email, and we will be providing you with payment link and everything with the discounted price. Anyone else who would like to know about projects, research projects, or they would like to know about how they can transform their career in bioinformatics, how they would like to kickstart their career in bioinformatics. And if someone is new to field of bioinformatics, they can also take guidance from the mentor here. Jivisha is here. She can guide you on which program could be suitable for you.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes,
So in
Michael,
the
please
field
go
of
ahead.
bioinformatics now,
Yes.
how can one research what leads to DNA sequencing failure or getting stuck at 3%?
Michael, I was not able to understand your question. Can you please paste it in chat box? It would
I'm
be
interested in researching the cause of failure of
failure
DNA
of.
sequencing. DNA
Okay.
sequencing
Okay.
at
So may I
10%,
know?
sorry, at 3%. In the process of DNA sequencing, when it gets to 3% during the DNA sequencing, at 3%, I notice that
Okay.
most times, sometimes it gets stuck at that point or fails. So I'm interested in trying to know or build a pipeline that can prevent such. So how to go about such kind of research?
So the basic, I would like to first ask you, like, do you have any bioinformatics background or are you new to the field? May I know
I'm new
about your
to the
background
field.
first?
I'm
So
new to
what
the
we
field.
have is we have, for research program, because you are new to the field, we have a training phase first. You can undergo the basic training that we provide and then move on towards the research and develop a pipeline through which you can, solve this query. So for this, what you can do is you can email us your profile along with your background, like in which field you have studied, and a brief information about your requirement, and we can guide you for the appropriate training and which program would be suitable for your research. Now there is a question from Rahman. Any discount on yearly plan? Yes, Rahman. So these all courses that are present on our portal are application based courses. So what we have is the yearly plan is available for, as you can see on screen, it's available for $350 a year. So for webinar attendees, we are offering it for $300 a year. Simply what you can do is you can write an email to us at communication@omicslogic.com, or you can contact on the numbers provided. I will again paste the numbers for you to review. So you can reach out to us on any of the number, or after this webinar, we can reach out to you and provide you the discount coupon and everything so that you can enroll for the yearly plan.
Secondly, my question, the certificate for these programs, can one use them for application of PhD program?
So we have, these credit-based courses and the research program courses. They can be utilized for their PhD program. We also have a degree program with IIT Jodhpur, that is the PG diploma on next generation omics technologies. This certificate can definitely be utilized for your PhD program. Its application is started and the deadline for their application is 20th April. If you are interested, you can enroll for it. And tomorrow from 3 p.m. IST, we have a webinar for the same. It's an open house webinar where faculties, students, passed out students and faculties from this postgraduate diploma program will be present in the webinar to answer your queries, and you can, we will be sharing with you the brochure as well. So this is a 1 year long diploma program which can be completed in the form of 6 month certification as well, which can be applicable for your post PhD studies as well. You can showcase it. So Roy, we can share the open house information as well. Like we will be sending you an email with the detail, or we can include you in the calendar invite if you are interested to join the webinar. So those
Interesting.
who are
How much is the diploma program? The 1 year program?
So we will be sharing you the details as well. I can share you the link in the chat box. You can review the link here. Since my internet is a bit slow, the brochure is not loading for me. So you
Thank
can
you very
simply go
much.
through the link and click over here, and the program brochure will be available for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Anyone else, if they have any query, they can simply unmute themselves or paste their queries in chat box, and we will be happy to answer. Any sort of queries related to bioinformatics courses would be addressed, and we are happy to help you in the bioinformatics journey to kickstart your career. Any query related to courses that we have, to subscription, to training programs. So Vivek is asking, do you have any internship courses? Yes, Vivek, we do have internship courses. The research program that Javisha told you about, so it is a internship based course which can range from 2 months, 3 months, and goes up to 6 months. So it will include a basic training and then hands on research where you will be interacting one on one with the mentor itself. So for tomorrow's webinar link, Jivisha, if you can paste the link of tomorrow's open house in the chat box itself so that participants who are interested, they can
Sure.
join through the link. So complete detail about the degree program will be provided in tomorrow's open house. So it's from 3 p.m. IST. We will be sharing the link in chat box so that you can join the webinar itself. You can simply copy the link or we will send you a calendar invite for the same. So Jivisha has shared the link and everything in chat box so that those who are interested can join.
Okay, thank you.
Anyone else who has any query related to the program, related to the courses?
I tried to click the apply for the postgraduate thing to check the fee. But the link, I think, for the apply is showing me server error.
So what I can do is I can paste the link once again in chat box so that you can reapply. I'll be sharing the brochure in the same drive link. We can
I've
upload
seen
the
the
brochure
brochure.
itself.
I've seen
Yeah.
the brochure. I've seen the website. Is a link to click to apply for the program. So I noticed it's showing me server error.
So what we can do is we can simply upload in this drive link. We will be uploading all the flyers and everything for the IT Jodhpur program. So those who are interested can simply fill up the form. There will be a Google form associated with the program, and when you are filling up the form, you will get a email with all the information about the program, registration fees, and everything, and open house details as well. So registration fees is, I guess, 300 rupees. And once if you're, it has limited number of slots. It has only 40 slots. So those who will be selected can continue the program further. And any queries related to courses of OmicsLogic, on bioinformatics, data science, machine learning. And if you are interested in
I'm confused
machine,
with registration fee. The whole program is $300. That's a postgraduate diploma.
no, Michael, the whole program is not $300. Registration fees is $10 for international participants and 300 rupees for Indian students. So based on the registration, if you are selected, then only the further details will be shared with you. Because there is a, application based process used for selection. So
Yes.
once your application is received, we will be sharing with you the details. And then we have this artificial intelligence and machine learning program upcoming from 19th of April. It's also a capstone project based program. So the mentor who is teaching it has over 32 years of experience in machine learning and stats analysis. And it will have 2 months of online programs, including live sessions, mentor guided, and hands on training. So, this program is available from 19th of April. You can see the curriculum, and if you are not interested, you can enroll for it as well. Now we have another query. Yes, Redney has pasted the registration fee for the diploma program. Mukta, recordings of today webinar will be available by tomorrow, and we will email you the recordings. If there are no, so the live session is starting from 19th of April from 7:30 p.m. IST. There will be 6 live sessions, which will include hands-on practicals, capstone projects. So week 1 we will be covering foundation of AI/ML. In week 2 we will be covering practical approaches. In week 3 we will be covering deep learning, and week 4 will be LLMs and AI in bioinformatics. Week 5 will be integration of multi-omics, and week 6 will be a capstone project. Okay, thank you, Roy. Any other queries? If not, then we will be ending today's session, and recordings will be available to you all by tomorrow.
So what's the WhatsApp number again?
Sure, we will be pasting you. I have pasted in the chat box. I can paste it again so that you all can
Okay, I appreciate it. Since I
connect
didn't
with
join
our
when you
team.
pasted it.
Sure.
So, thank you.
So if participant doesn't have any queries, we will be ending today's sessions. Thank you for joining us today. Looking
Thank
forward
you.
to join your bioinformatics company.
Thank you very much for this wonderful presentation.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.